Hello students, today we are discussing exercise 3.6. Question number 2 part 3. The question is like that: Ruhi travels 300 kilometers to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus. If she travels 100 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of train and the bus separately. So here let us suppose let the speed of train be x kilometer per hour and the speed of the bus be y kilometer per hour according to question. Here she travels 60 kilometers by train. So time taken by train is distance upon speed. Time is equal to distance upon speed. So distance is 60 kilometers and speed is x kilometer per hour. So this is time taken by train. Now remaining distance, the total distance is 300. So and 60 is covered by train. So remaining is 240 kilometers. And that 240 kilometers distance is to be covered by bus, and the speed of bus is y kilometer per hour. So it is distance upon speed 240 upon y. This is time taken by bus and time taken by train. So total time she takes 4 hours. So equal to 4. So this is equation 1. And next time she travels 100 kilometers by train. So now it is 100 upon x plus remaining is 300 minus 100 is 200. So 200 upon y. Now she takes 10 minutes more. So that means 4 hours 10 minutes. Many students write here 10. So that way it becomes wrong. If you write just 10, then it is wrong. So you have to write 4 hours 10 minutes. So first of all, you need to change this 10 minutes in hours and repeat the equation. 100 upon x plus 200 upon y is equal to 4 plus 10 upon 60, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now this 0 gets cancelled with 0. 6 LCM, 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. So either we write one more step of LCM or you can write directly. So 6, 24 plus 1 and 100 upon x plus 200 upon y is equal to 25 by 6. So this is our equation. Now again we have to suppose let 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. Therefore, the first equation becomes 60a plus 240b is equal to 4. Now to reduce this equation, we can take 4 common from left hand side and then we solve it, or we divide the equation throughout both sides by 4. So dividing both sides by 4, we get 15 for 4 is 60, 15a plus here 6 4s are 24 and 0 60b is equal to 4 1s are 4. So this is dividing both sides by 4. So this is equation 1. And in second equation, we have 100a plus 200b is equal to 25 by 6. So first of all, we multiply this 6 by left hand side. So we get 600a plus 1200b is equal to 25. Then we'll divide the equation throughout both sides by 25. So 25, when we divide it by 25, we get 24. 24a. And when we divide this by 25, we get 48 because it is just double of this. So 48b is equal to 25 and 25, so this is 1. This is equation number 2, dividing both sides by 25. So this way we get this equation. Now we solve it. So the large numbers are there, so it is better to solve this equation by cross multiplication method. Either you can solve by substitution method or by elimination method, but it is better if you solve it by cross multiplication method. So now a upon is equal to b upon is equal to minus 1 upon. As you know, the constants are on right hand side, that is why we write minus 1. So when we write numbers under a, we write coefficients of b and constants. So 60 and 48, 60 and 48, 1, 1, and under b we write coefficients of a and constants. So constants are already there. Coefficients of a are 15 and 24. So this is 15 and 24. Then again we have under minus 1 we need to write coefficients of a and coefficient of b. Coefficient of a are already there, so we need to write coefficient of b. So this way we write the coefficients. So now we solve it further. A upon, we'll multiply this 60 by 1. Always the top first number multiplied with second number down number. So this is the fixed way you have to solve it. 60 by 1, 60 into 1 is 60. Then there is inbuilt sign, minus sign is there. Then you multiply this 48 by 1. So 48 into 1 is 48 is equal to b upon, again the same way, this 1 is multiplied with 24, so answer is 24, minus, then 1 is multiplied with 15, so answer is 15, then minus 1 upon 15 into 48. So multiply it in rough copy, you will get the answer. 15 8s are 120, 0, carry 12, 15 4s are 60, and carry 12, that becomes 72. So it is 72. So you multiply this and get this answer. Minus, this is multiplied by 60. So 24 multiplied by 60, 0 is there. This is 0. Then this 0. 6 4s are 24. So this is 4. Carry 2. And 6 2s are 8. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus carry 2. So 12 plus 2 is 14. So this is 1440. Now a upon 60 minus 48 is 12 is equal to, then b upon, this is 24 minus 15 is 9 is equal to minus 1 upon, plus minus minus, sign of greater number is this one, 1440. So 1440 minus 720, just half of that, so it is 720. This minus gets cancelled with this minus. Now to get the value of a, we take first and last together. 12 is equal to 1 upon 720, and that gives us a is equal to 12 upon 720. Then you cancel it. So 12 1s are 12, 12 6s are 72. So we get a is equal to 1 upon 60. As you see, I am doing all calculation by tables. So you must know the tables, otherwise you will find the difficulty. And b upon 9 is equal to 1 upon 720. So b is equal to 9 upon 720. This 9 multiplied with 1 and cancel it. 9 1s are 9, 9 8s are 72. So this is 80. So it implies that b is equal to 1 upon 80. Now putting the values of a and b in supposition. In supposition, so what was supposition? 1 upon x is equal to a. So 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 60. By reciprocating, we get x equal to 60. And 1 upon y is equal to b, that is 1 upon 80. So y is equal to 80. So the speed of train is 60 km per hour and The speed of bus is 80 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. Thank you so much, students, for watching the video. If you like the explanation, please share the video. Thank you so much.